2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, Sirius satellite radio, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.